this is like if you're streaming and you're looking up. Like in my office, I have that large TV, so I can kind of sit back from my desk and watch it. The Balanced Hustler. All right, Balanced Hustlers, I am back and I am renovating my office. Now, I am really bummed because my floor was supposed to be done by yesterday. And the flooring guy, of course, I have a new desk, L desk coming. I didn't get a sit stand desk. They were supposed to sand this and stain it, but did not come through. I got a new office chair that I'm about to put together for the new office. I'm in the midst of unboxing it now. It got pretty good reviews, so I'm going to unbox and let's see what's in here. The headrest here. Liking what I'm seeing so far, Balanced Hustlers. This does have a massage feature, so that's why it has wires in there and it's battery charged. Yeah, looks like that's it. That's the unboxing. They gave us some install gloves here. Put all this stuff together. These are all the casters. Screws. Lumbars. This chair is like $1,000. It's a little bit on the, I guess, medium scale, because I've seen these chairs go up to $3,000 or $4,000. So that's why it's not a regular screwdriver. It's like a square bit. Chair completely put together. It has an adjustable lumbar and I got a footrest right here. When you first sit in it, it feels a little stiff, so I'm sure it has to just be broken in. Kind of has a memory foam. I like that these slide back and forth. I didn't like how my other chair, this was fixed, so when you'd slide, this moves back nicely. It has good height adjustment on it and it could in and out. All in all, I feel like it's a pretty good chair. Can notice a difference from the seating. So it has this footrest, this goes right underneath your desk. You put your feet in here and then you could go all the way back. Gee, that thing really goes back. So you could just do this. So this is the fixed. Then it has the second adjustment, which is like a nice little recline. This is the third. This goes pretty far back. This is like if you're streaming and you're looking up. Like in my office, I have that large TV, so I can kind of sit back from my desk and watch it. And then this is like a full, this one feels a little weird. It's like a full sleep mode here. Man, this actually is pretty comfortable. I didn't like it when I first did that, but yeah, if you need a little break in the day and you gotta get back, you got the footrest in there. Footrest keeps your feet elevated. Definitely a cool chair. I do like it. I'll just have to get used to all the settings and get all my stuff set. Desk will be here later today. Floor will get put in today. Desk gets installed tomorrow, so by Monday, I'm gonna be installing all my stuff. I'm showing you guys the new Balanced Hustler Hacklab. So I didn't get the name of this here. It's the LiberNovo chair right here. I had seen a couple YouTube videos on it from other work from home style people that sit a lot in their chair, and I was like, this is pretty cool. My other chair was just old. I've had it for gosh, at least 8 years, maybe even closer to 10, and it was just time to get rid of it. It was starting to fray, so went ahead and got a new one and looking forward to getting some relaxing non-back breaking work in, y'all.